if one or more denominators are factorable, we're going to factor them and find the LCD the same way we would do for rational expression. So now we need to find the lowest common denominator between sine cube theta cosine square theta and sine theta cosine fifth theta. Between sine cube and sine, we're going to take the one with the highest exponent, sine cube theta, because sine cube theta is sine theta by sine squared theta. Between cosine square theta and cosine fifth theta, we're going to take cosine fifth theta. Cosine fifth theta is a multiple of cosine square theta. It's cosine square theta times cosine cube theta. Now that we have our lowest common denominator, to create the lowest common denominator here, we need to multiply by cosine cube theta. So we're going to multiply by cosine cube theta over cosine cube theta. We get 4 cosine cube theta minus. To create sine cube theta cosine fifth theta, we need to multiply by sine square theta over sine square theta. We will get as our numerator 5 tan theta times sine square theta. Now we're done. We just have to put them together under the same denominator, and our answer will be 4 cosine cube theta minus 5 tan theta sine square theta divided by sine cube theta cosine fifth theta. We need to find the LCD between cosecant square t minus 4 and cosecant t minus 2. Cosecant squared t minus 4 is a difference of 2 squared. It is cosecant t plus 2 times cosecant t minus 2. Since it is also a multiple of cosecant t minus 2, our LCD is just cosecant t plus 2 times cosecant t minus 2. Now the first one has the LCD. We just multiply it by 1 over 1. We get 5. 5 stays the same. The second one, to get the common denominator, we need to multiply by cosecant t plus 2 over cosecant t plus 2. And 1 times cosecant t plus 2 is equal to cosecant t plus 2. Now we can combine the numerator since the denominators are the same. We're going to get cosecant t plus 5 plus 2 is 7. Cosecant t plus 7 divided by cosecant t plus 2 times cosecant t minus 2 is our final answer. A complex fraction is a fraction whose denominator and numerator contain rational expressions. What we need to do is we need to combine the numerator to make a single fraction. In this particular case, the numerator is already a single fraction. Then we'll combine the denominator to make a single fraction. The LCD is cosine theta sine theta. Therefore, the first fraction will be multiplied by sine theta over sine theta, which will give us sine theta over sine theta, which will give us 2 sine theta. And the second fraction needs to be multiplied by cosine theta over cosine theta to get the common denominator, which will give us 5 cosine theta. 2 sine theta plus 5 cosine theta. Now, division is multiplication by the reciprocal. We keep the numerator 1 over sine theta, and since we're dividing, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. We flip the denominator. Cosine theta, sine theta, divided by 2 sine theta plus 5 cosine theta. Okay. Now we cross cancel sine theta over sine theta is 1. And our answer is cosine theta divided by 2 sine theta plus 5 cosine theta.